discuss about the topic Golgi complexes. Right? Golgi complexes are one of the most important cell organelle. Last class we have just discussed the structure of the Golgi. Okay? Today we will discuss about the functions of Golgi. Right? Golgi complex is one of the important cell organelle. Here Golgi complex. Who was proposed the? Yes, this Golgi is coined by the structure of the Golgi was proposed by the scientist Camillo Golgi in the year of 1955. Right. Yes. What are the formations? How it is formed? Is it a membrane bounded structure? Yes, it is a membrane bounded structure. The membrane is as usual resembles of the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, especially the fluid mosaic model is okay. Fluid mosaic model is accepted in this universal way. That's why here Golgi complex is most important and which is closely related to this the endoplasmic reticulum, and it is also consists of various enzymes. Okay, it is having morphologically the three main structures. In the first one is cisternae, and second one is a small vesicles, and third one is a large vesicles. Okay, these are the structures. Here the cisternae is formed. Right now, already we discussed the structure of the Golgi, and just to speedily recapitulations of this structure. Okay, it is cisternae is looks like the pattern manner, and the lumen is large, and their ends are having in a narrow structures. Okay, this space is known as lumen, where the middle place, that is a lumen, is having a broad manner, where the ends or tip of the parallel structures are known as very narrow in manner, and end of the structures we are observing the structures which are looking like this model. Okay, some of the Golgi complexes we mostly drawing like this, and formations of the primary lysosomes are also originated from these Golgi complexes. Right, ma? Yes. Today we will discuss about the functions of Golgi. Functions of Golgi. So what is the functions is there? Alright. Here are the functions. Here first one is storage and secretory functions. Okay. If the Golgi is functionating when they have a nucleus, then only the performance, their function is very actively. What this means? The Golgi complexes is completely necessary for the nucleus. And here the first function is storage and secretory function. First function is storage and secretory function. Right. It means which are used by the storaging of this Golgi. Okay. Here the storage of copper, ferrous and vitamin C. Copper, ferrous, vitamin C is most important to storage of the important elements in the Golgi complexes. And another one, what are the secretory? The digestive enzymes on the synthesis of carbohydrates. Here secretory means the synthesis of carbohydrates and lipids. Carbohydrates and lipids is there. And here with the help of several enzymes. Carbohydrates and lipids with the help of several enzymes. That's why it's also synthesis so many types of enzymes, especially the hydrolytic enzymes are synthesized by these Golgi complexes. Right. And these are stored the polysaccharides. Okay, this carbohydrate, where the synthesis of the carbohydrates with the help of the enzymes, these are further stored as in the manner of polysaccharides. Not only these copper, phosphorus, essential elements, and also vitamin C, ascorbic acid. And next one is another storage of the Golgi complex is polysaccharide. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides also be storage by the Golgi complexes, and some glycoproteins. This is the most important function of the Golgi complex, and yolk also even important protein function. Yolk, when the embryonic development we are observed that the yolk structures. And next the formation of secretory vesicles. Another function of the Golgi complex is formation of secretory vesicles. This is also known as zymosin granules. Formation of zymosin granule. Second function is formation of secretory. Okay, formation of secretory vesicles or zymosin granules. These zymosin granules are most important to knowing about us. These are the structure of enzyme. It is a structure of the enzymes. Store. Zymosin granules are nothing but their main function is to storage of enzymes. Main function of zymosin granules are storage of enzymes. The stored enzyme granules are known as here zymosin granules, and here these especially formed. These zymosin granules are formed by the breakdown of the cisternase membrane of the Golgi complexes. How these are formed? Zymosin granules are formed by the breakdown of the cisternate form. Breakdown of the cisternate forms of the Golgi complexes. Okay, these zymosin granules are main function is storage of enzymes. How these are formed? How this is originated? It means the breakdowns of the cisternate makes these zymosin granules. And next one is formation of the primary lysosomes. Okay, ma. What is the main function of zymosin granule? They store the all types of enzymes. Those enzymes are useful for the digestion and also useful for this lysis process. Okay, lysis process and energy giving of lysis process. So glycolysis is there, right? Such type of process these zymosin granules are used. Next function of the Golgi complex is formation of a primary lysosome. Formation of a primary lysosomes. Here, where the cisternate and small vesicle, large vesicle bodies are present in the structure of this Golgi. Okay, in that they form the entire part of these structures, and slowly marginates come and form the primary structure of the lysosomes. These are completely come into the cytoplasm and form as a oval bodies or irregular structure of the lysosome. So this is known as a primary lysosome structures, which are originated from the Golgi, especially from the Golgi bodies. The primary lysosomes are formed. Who is proposed this? Novikov scientist was proposed this. Novikov scientist was proposed this. primary formation of lysosomes. And next, the formation of acrosomes. And fourth function of the Golgi complex is formation of acrosome. Where it is appears the structure of acrosome. This acrosome is appears the tipped end of the sperm cell. Right now, end of the sperm cell near the nucleus. Here the nucleus, the middle piece of the sperm cell, and next region is a tail part. Right. This cap-like structure, the pointed structure of the sperm cell, pointed structure of the sperm cell in front of the nucleus. It's a pointed name structure. This is known as the acrosome. Right. This acrosome has some lytic enzymes. Those lytic enzymes are come from this Golgi. That's why those enzymes are stored in the acrosome. When it touches to the ova in fertilization process, it easily can penetrate to this structure only. That's why the formation of acrosome is most important in the fertilization. Okay, and it is also one of the main function of the Golgi complexes. And another one is the pigmentation or what we say, pigmentation of algae, pigment. Formation, pigmentation, formation. Yes, some cells in our body have some pigmentation. Okay, when we are go to the outside to exposing the dark sunlight, our body shows some patches. Okay, that's why we are knowing about the pigmentation, melanin spots, the tyrosin, simply known as tanning. Okay, this tanning to avoid or reducing of the tanning we use some protecting creams also. Right now, that's why here pigmentation, pigment formation, some melanin cells. Melanin is stored in the Golgi complexes. Okay, especially in our eye, the retina cells, some are the cone cells, some are rod cells is there. Okay, cone cells are specially deposing of these type of pigmentation cells. Okay, that's why the cone cells are useful to identify the different type of colors only. Right now, and next another function is biosynthesis of polysaccharides. Okay, biosynthesis of polysaccharides. The last function, biosynthesis of polysaccharides. Right now, in the first one we must interrelated with the last function, that is secretory function. In the secretory function, where the synthesis of carbohydrates and the lipids with the help of the different type of enzymes is there. In that such way of manner, these Golgi complexes is also useful to biosynthesis of the polysaccharides. Both polysaccharides are glycose and glycoproteins. Okay, these are the main functions of Golgi. Okay, when you people facing the question in our examination point of view, you must write the structure and who is proposed it, the shape, size and variation, and how this formed in the three forms. Okay, ma, that is the cisternae, small vesicles and large vesicle forms. Okay, and next you must write with the functions of the Golgi. Right? Here the Golgi functions are, the first one is storage and secretory functions, and next here formation of zymogen granules and formation of a primary lysosomes, formation of acrosomes and pigmentation formation or pigment formation, and last one here the biosynthesis of polysaccharides. We must remember about the minimum 6 qualities of the Golgi complex functions. And next one another cell organelle, that is lysosome. Okay. The primary lysosome is originated from the breaking down particles of the cystogenes. Okay, lysosome. Lysosome. This lysosome was coined by the scientist Christian Dubé. Christian Dubé. In the year of 1955. In the year of 1955, the Christian Dubé was coined these lysosomes. These lysosomes are in oval or irregular in shape. Okay, irregular in shape. These are mostly present in the cytoplasm. Okay, as a membrane bounded structure. In the cytoplasm, lysosomes are a structure of cytoplasms, especially membrane bounded structures. A single cell. Single membrane. Single membrane bounded structures which are present in the cytoplasm. Right, ma? Which are present in the cytoplasm. The bounded a single cell, single membrane. This membrane is similar. This membrane shows the similarities. Those similarities as like as in manner of plasma membrane, fluid mosaic models, right? And those by layers of the phospholipids, and phospholipids are present inside, and both protein layers are outer and the inner sides of the cell, right? And is the first characteristics, that is a membrane bounded structure which are spatially present on the cytoplasm. These were called the shape. Shape is a oval or irregular shape. Oval or irregular shape. And next one will be their size. Their size is mostly present. Approximately their size is 0.2 to 0.8 microns. 0.2 to 0.8 microns. Mostly these type of cells, the largest lysosome is where the occurrence. Yeah, first of all, we known about the occurrence. They are occur in liver, kidney, and the WBC, right? This is simply known as leukocyte cells. And next one here, okay, and lytic and so on, so etc. Right, ma? WBC is also known as leukocytes. Leukocyte, liver, kidney, and these are present. Okay, when these are absent in mature mammalian RBC and prokaryotes, right? This is the occurrence. Each large size of the lysosomes are present in kidney. Large size of minimum they are having this size of the lysosomes are present in kidney. Okay, and next, especially these lysosomes are also present in plant cells. Those are simply known as spirosomes. In plant cells, these lysosomes are called as spirosomes, right? And next here, in this structure of the lysosomes, right? Structure of a lysosome, simply they are present in an oval or in a kidney shaped manner. Oval or some kidney shaped manners, right? These are especially have some undigestive cholesterol structures, fat-like structures, and here also some granules, covered, only single membrane ma. I draw these lysosomes through using of only a single. Their outer side is very dense. This side is dense in color, and lower part is very less, right? These are the fat bodies. Fat bodies are cholesterol formations and digestion, especially undigested fat bodies. These are the granules, and here present some vacuoles, right ma'am? Vacuoles. These structures are present in the lysosome. Some are the kidney bean shaped, or some are irregular shapes, and some are the oval shaped. Lysosomes are present, right? Who was proposed these lysosomes? Christian Didouet. These are a cytoplasmic membrane bounded structures which are spaciously presented in the cytoplasm. These single membrane bounded lysosomes are, the membrane is compared. When we are compared with this membrane, it is similar to the formation of the plasma membrane, especially the fluid mosaic model more, where the shape is oval or irregular shapes, and their size is up to 0.2 to 0.8 microns. And where these lysosomes are occurs, the occurrence of lysosomes is liver, kidney, and leukocyte. Here the largest leukocytes are present in the kidney shape, and these are mostly absent in mature RBC of mammalians and the prokaryotic cells. Mostly all eukaryotic cells are essentially containing these lysosomes. This is a simple structure of the lysosomes. Lysosomes, their chemical composition of lysosomes, those are mostly made up with some these enzymes and the proteins and carbohydrates, some of the lipids. Okay, and here the most important function. Here the liposomes are types is there morphologically. Their types of lysosomes. Types of lysosomes, right ma'am? In this, the first one, so a simple diagrammatic representation about on these, the primary lytic. Okay, primary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes are originated from the Golgi complexes by the process of breakdown of the cisternates or some the vacuoles. And next here, this the here also we must and should learn the primary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes, and second one is the digestive vacuoles, and third one here, that is the which are undergoing the autophagocytic cells, and last one is residual bodies. The first one is digestive vacuole, primary lysosome. Primary lysosomes, and second one digestive lysosomes, third one autophagic lysosomes, and fourth one here residual lysosomes or structures. Or simply we said that residual bodies. Right ma? These four types of lysosomes are appears. Right. Each and every one discussed one by one. Right. Here endoplasmic reticulum. Most of the ribosomes, these are the ribosomes. These ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm, and it is a simple ER. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum, cisternate structures. These are come and attached with this region, and slowly they are simply come and form the primary. Either these are Golgi or cisternate formations.
Hello.
Golgi and here the ER were the ribosomes attached with this ER. E or ER. It is used to synthesis of proteins. This is a Golgi. This Golgi's end part is simply formed as a primary lysosome. Primary lysosome main function is stored the enzymes or the food particles and so on. So here what the function of this primary lysosome? Primary lysosome function is store enzymes, especially hydroacidic condition. Acid hydrolytic enzymes. And second, here where the autophagus cells, endocytosis process. Here the simple substance is engulfing into them, and they slowly parts is inside. And it is by the action of digestive enzymes, this is completely digested and absorbed by themselves, right? And next one is digestive lysosomes. This structure is shows in this manner, and here also formed as the another digestive. This is the first, and second one is a digestive these are the stored enzymes, hydrolytic acidic enzymes. This is the digestive lysosome. Digestive lysosome. This is the second type. And where the autophagus lysosomes, which means self they are, it is also known as the suicidal bags of the cells, lysosomes. That is autophagus structure is mainly here. That is where the cell is entered inside the substance is entered into inside. These are completely covered, and this cell is digested by the digestive enzymes. Some are the stored particles. Food particles are also present inside. This is the autophagus structures of the lysosomes. Autophagus lysosome. And these are where remaining digestive, the waste particles are should convert into as residual bodies. Those residual bodies are present in these manners. In the lysosomes, these are the residual bodies. These are slowly eliminated through the plasma membrane. They are slowly eliminated to the plasma membrane. Here the storage granules also be the primary lysosomes are sometimes undergoes the autophagus and some the digestive enzymes. These lysosomes are sometimes the starvation and cell death. Those are occurs inside of our metabolic activities. These are also engulfing the ER, endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. Some cell organelles also be digested by these digestive enzymes, which are stored inside of the lysosomes. Isn't it, ma'am? And what are the functions of the lysosome? Simple. Here the action shows that important functions. Primary lysosomes main function is storage of different type of enzymes, and second one is those are useful to digestion. They are containing a hydroacidic natures of the digestive enzymes, which are useful to digestion process. And third one is autophagus, and fourth one is formation of a residual bodies. Ma, this is complete about the lysosomes. Thank you.